The last group of letters in this pre-cursive script are the zigzag monsters. Those are the last 4 letters that are all quite pointy. The first one is the letter V. So we start on the line and we lead up, we do our V shape, and then we flick. That's one of the letters that doesn't end on the line. And again, you can see with that lead up, it's not a straight up, it's a curve up into the letter. So we curve up, do our V shape, and flick. Up, V, and flick. And obviously you want to make sure it's nice and pointy, otherwise it will end up looking like a U. If you can do the V, you can do a W, curve up, 2 V's, and a flick. Now be very careful here. We want the W to be very pointy, and we want all of these 3 points, 1, 2 and 3, to all be somewhere in the middle. Don't have one in the middle that's lower or shorter. They all need to be the same. So it's up and flick. They're all at the same point. And again, like I say, keep them very pointy. There's a temptation to do something like that, and that's not what we want to see. The next letter in this group is the letter X. What we want to do is lead up, come down, and put our crossbar on. Up, down, and then you can put your crossbar on. Lead up, down, and then you can put your crossbar in. And the last one in this group is the letter Z. It's just like a normal small letter Z, but we're making sure we've got that lead in to help us join it into other letters. So we lead up, and it's that Z shape. Across, down, across. Lead up, across, down, across. And those are our zigzag monster letters. That's the last group of these pre-cursive letters. So let's have a look at those in a bit more detail. We've got the V, which starts on the line. We go up, up, and flick. Up, make our V shape, and flick, keeping it nice and pointy. Up, make our V shape, and flick. If you can do the V, you can do the W. We swing up, make our W, and flick. And remember what we've talked about keeping all those points on a level. Up, flick. Up, W shape, and flick. The X, we come up, straight line down, and then you put your crossbar on. Up, straight line down, and a crossbar. Up, straight line down, and a crossbar. And the last one is the letter Z. We swing up, forwards, backwards, forwards. Swing up, forwards, backwards, forwards. Swing up, forwards, backwards, forwards. Keep practicing all of those pre-cursive letters until you've mastered them really well.